What's up guys, we're all here with Tech, and Cherry Mobile released a volume-packed smartphone that offers a 6.53 inches Full HD Plus display, Helio G90T chipset, quad rear cameras, and a large battery. This is probably the most exciting smartphone that the company has launched. Could this be one of the best smartphones under 10K? Let's find out. For design, one of the first things we notice about the Cherry Mobile Aqua S9 Max is its premium design. It sports the jade green color with a metallic frame and 3D curved back panel that shimmers depending on the angle and light. The front houses a 6.53 inches Full HD Plus through-view display. Placed above it is a teardrop notch for the 32 megapixel selfie camera. And placed just above it in the bezel is the earpiece. On the right, we have the power lock and volume buttons, which are firm yet clicky. We have the triple card tray for the dual nano SIM cards and a micro SD card on the left. Up top, we have the secondary microphone, while down at the bottom is the 3.5mm headphone jack, USB Type-C port, and a loudspeaker. Looking at the back, we have the quad rear cameras, and also found here are the fingerprint scanner and the LED flash. In the hands, the Cherry Mobile Aqua S9 Max feels relatively light despite the large 5130 mAh battery. The curvature in the frame and the back panel makes it comfortable to grip. However, the tall frame will require two-handed navigation, especially for those with small hands. Cherry didn't include a jelly case, but it has a screen protector pre-installed, and tempered glass is already included in the package. Moving to its display, it sports a 6.53 inches display with Full HD Plus resolution that is immersive enough for watching videos and playing games. It is bright, the colors are also rich and accurate, while viewing angles are wide. The bezels though are quite thick, which is noticeable if you're used to smartphones with really small bezels, but it doesn't hinder the viewing experience and you'll get used to it over time. Audio-wise, it has a single downward firing speaker. It is loud and crisp, but produces distortion in higher volumes. However, it is good enough for casual listening or voice calls as vocals are emphasized. If you want a better listening experience, you can connect your favorite wired headphones via the 3.5mm audio jack. Now let's talk about its software. The Cherry Mobile Aqua S9 Max runs on Android 10 with Cherry Mobile's slight custom skin that looks almost stock but quite outdated. It's not a major issue though, as you can download a launcher from the Google Play Store and tweak the interface. Cherry Mobile also didn't include bloatware or a lot of pre-installed apps. We have the usual Google apps and phone stock apps like Children's Space and Game Space. Storage-wise, you're getting a 128GB of storage space, which is enough for most users. You can further expand it though with a micro SD card via its dedicated slot. When it comes to its performance, powering the Cherry Mobile Aqua S9 Max is a MediaTek Helio G90T chipset with 4GB of RAM and a Mali G76 GPU. The configuration is powerful enough to run all the tasks we throw at it without stuttering, including gaming with Genshin Impact in low to medium settings. So if you're a light to moderate gamer, this phone should be able to cope. For benchmark scores, here are the numbers we got. So the Cherry Mobile Aqua S9 Max comes with the usual connectivity features, including dual SIM support, 4G LTE and VU LTE support, and Wi-Fi 5. There's Bluetooth of course, but the version was not disclosed. When it comes to the battery, we have a huge 5130 mAh capacity. We can easily make it last 2 days of light to moderate use. PCMark Work 2.0 battery bench rated the battery life at 8 hours and 18 minutes, while our standard video loop test yielded 15 hours and 7 minutes of playback. We were actually expecting a little bit more, but it's not bad. 2020 has brought a lot of compelling smartphones under this price range. However, it's still uncommon to see models with good cameras, so we're quite elated to see that the Cherry Mobile Aqua S9 Max captures outstanding photos. The Aqua S9 Max offers a quad camera setup consisting of 48MP Sony IMX582 main, 8MP ultra-wide, 2MP depth, and 2MP macro lens. While for its front-facing camera, we have a huge 32MP sensor. The main camera produces image with punchy colors with sharp details and good contrast, especially in bright conditions. Low-light shots appear softer, but it was able to preserve the colors. On the other hand, ultra-wide shots are less sharp and subdued colors, but still very usable. Selfies are also sharp and vibrant with nice beauty effects, although some shots focus on the nearby background instead of the subject's face. When it comes to video recording, it can shoot up to 4K resolution at 30 frames per second. Quality is decent but still prone to shakes and doesn't allow you to change to a wide-angle lens. Now let's talk about the price. The Cherry Mobile Aqua S9 Max is priced at 9,999 pesos, which is a strong offering considering other devices with similar specs cost a couple thousands more. And for that price, you're getting a device with a nice design, good cameras and performance, and a long battery life. So if the budget is tight but you need the performance, we highly recommend the Cherry Mobile Aqua S9 Max. It is easily one of the best sub 10K smartphones on the market. So that's it for our Cherry Mobile Aqua S9 Max review. Share your thoughts about it in the comment section below, and if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit that bell icon so to miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit yugotech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. This has been Rel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.